Step 1. Soak your oasis foam. Cut to fit your pot and secure with floral tape. Step 2. Choose a piece of cedar to be your middle starting piece. You will build around this center. Step 3. Insert more cedar around the edge of the pot. Then add some sporadically on the top. Step 4. Insert pine along top of pot working around centerpiece. Step 5. Insert fir to fill up the extra space and where you see the oasis foam. Be sure to hide the garden shear cuts. Step 6. Add Aragonia pieces for variety. This should be used only as an accent. Step 7. Add decorative accents. We added some pinnacones and presents. Step 8. Add a bow. Complete. Make sure to water.